Our production adventure, which started in 1978 in a small workshop for the production of wooden doors and windows, continues today with more than 200 colleagues in our 20,000 square meter factory that belongs to our company. This achievement, which we have achieved over the years by maintaining our innovative spirit and adding value to our living spaces, is an example for many stakeholders of the sector. Besides the production of doors and furniture, we also bring our interior architectural designs together with the world. The result of our projects, which was done smoothly in 3 different continents and 24 different countries, where has different types of culture and different types of aesthetic mentality, show our universal design. With our sales network and showrooms in 5 different countries, while we are exporting 75% of our production to foreign countries, we are contributing to the national economy, and we are putting our signature to hotels, offices, residences, and housing projects in many countries. We bring together different climates, different cultures, and locations where are thousands of miles away from each other under Sedef Wood denominator, while the spaces where we add value are growing rapidly. For the sake of protecting our trees, which are our rare materials and sources of life, we use only industrial-grown trees and eco-friendly components. When we take a look at the production, besides the design, we have a production capacity of 17,000 square meters of furniture and 14,000 sets of doors per month in our 20,000 square meter factory. Our slogan, "We produce the door of the world," doesn't just become a slogan when we look at export data and production figures. It becomes a Sedef Wood fact. The best concrete proof of this fact that we took the 2nd place among all the industrial establishments in Kastamonu region in 2018. In addition to the wooden coating, lacquer, PVC coating, laminate, and melamine doors, we export our fire-resistant doors that successfully passed all safety tests and certification processes to many countries. In addition to our importance, in order to maintain a high standard with machinery and production, our special works are shaped by the hands of our precious wood craftsmen. Materials are selected, processed, packaged, shipped, then assembled carefully by our expert teams. We use healthy materials to produce for environmentally friendly production. From the entrance of the wood into our factory to the tightening of the last screw in the living areas, we follow all the production processes meticulously. While maintaining ergonomics and long service life, we also bring elegance and refinement to the foreground in our designs. Our experienced architects model our architectural work in 3D and present it to our customer appreciation before moving on to the production stage. After the completion of the production phase, we bring our quality and elegance to our customer spaces with our professional installation team. In addition to all these, while we are developing our region with direct and indirect employment, at Sedef Wood, we are working and producing ceaselessly in order to be called with quality by all over the world.